Hi guys, today I'm gonna cook smashed egg potatoes. Very simple recipe and very easy to cook. It's just cook in 10 minutes. So let's get started. And before that, please do like my video and subscribe to my channel. So this is our ingredient. We have very simple ingredient for today. So we have potatoes, boiled potatoes, and we have boiled eggs, little bit of onion, and we have chili flakes. Very easy recipe. That's it. We're gonna smash everything together. So we're gonna smash this. So this is done. So we're gonna mix this together really well, and then we're gonna give a tadka on this. So we're gonna use mustard oil in this. So yeah, I'm gonna take a pinch of black zira, and then here we go with the onions. So we're going to put salt. So next we're going to add chili flakes. So you're going to make it a little brown. Yeah, so it's done. So we're gonna mix this. So it's ready. Looks really yum. Please do like my video and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Take care.